Class 7, Chapter 5th, 5.3. Hello students. Chapter 5th, its mean exponents. In the previous video, we have just complete out exercise 5.3 question number 1 and some low exponents. There are 6 low exponents. In short, एक और low exponents रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. In the first law, if we multiply two numbers and their base is same, then we add their exponents. It's a one law of the exponent. Another law, if a raised to the power m and there is another power also, then we multiply both exponents. It is also a law of the exponent. If a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, then we subtract both the exponents. It's also a law of exponent. Another law, if a raised to the power 0, then the answer is 1. It is a law of exponent. If a raised to the power minus m, then we can write 1 upon a raised to the power m. It is also a law of exponent. And another law, its mean another law, if a की power m multiply b की power m, its mean base are different but exponent is same, then we can write a multiply b whole raised to the power m. So these are 6 law of exponents. You can learn in any order, it's your choice, but these laws are very important. We have already studied that minus 1, if the power is odd positive integer, then answer is minus 1. If minus 1 contain power even positive integer, then answer is plus 1. And also remember, a raised to the power n, a is base and n is exponents. Okay, now start exercise 5.3 question number 2. In the question number 2, it contained total 6 part and we have just note down 2 parts, part number first and part number 4. These parts and also remaining parts in homework. Okay, now start part number first. 3 raised to the power 0 minus 2 raised to the power 0 in a bracket multiply 5 raised to the power 0. Simply we know that a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 multiply 1, 1 minus 1 0, so net answer is 0. Fourth part, 2 upon 9 whole raised to the power 5 divided by 2 upon 9 whole raised to the power 2 की whole power 3. It's mean power and again it's also a power. So according to the law of exponent, we multiply the both power, then it convert 2 upon 9 whole raised to the power 6. Now in both number base is same and between the sign of divide, so we minus the exponents. 5 minus 6 minus 1, साइड में आपको लॉ ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट लिखना है जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं. इट इज कंपल्सरी. 2 upon 9 whole raised to the power minus 1. If exponent is negative, then we reciprocal of the base and the exponent convert into positive. So answer is 9 upon 2 की whole power 1. It's mean 9 upon 2. Question number 3. In the question number 3, find the value of, and the question number 3 contains total 6 part and we have just note down 2 parts, part number first and part number 3. These parts and remaining parts in homework, and you have any problem in the remaining parts, you can discuss with me and I try my best, then this part adjust in the next video. Part number first, 5 whole power 8, 2 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 5 upon 5 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 6, 3 raised to the power 7. हमने इस पूरे डिवीजन को पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया सेम बेस के अकॉर्डिंग. नाउ सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन साइन ऑफ डिवीजन, सो एक्सपोनेंट्स subtracted 6, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 3 minus 7 minus 2. In the both exponent is negative, so we reciprocal them and exponent is positive. Now the question is this: 5 raised to the power 6. After multiply we get 1, 5, 6, 2, 5, 15,625 and the denominator is 36. Part number 3. 8 to the power 0 multiply 7 raised to the power 0 multiply 16 upon 7 की whole power 3 की whole power 0 and upon 4 upon 3 की whole power 0 plus 3 upon 4 की whole power 0. We know that a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, 1 plus 1 answer is 1 upon 2. जो भी लो एक्सपोनेंट आप यूज करेंगे उसको आप साइड में लिखोगे. It is compulsory. I hope you understood. Note down it. Okay students, now we have to do question number 5 because question number 4 is not in syllabus. Question number 5. If P upon Q is equal to 2 upon 3 की whole power 2 की whole power 5 divided by 2 upon 3 की whole power 3 की whole power 3. And we have to find out P upon Q की whole power 3. Firstly, we simplify it. P upon Q is equal to 2 upon 3 power and again a power, then multiply it and also. And we use the law of exponent right in a side in a box. Now 2 upon 3 base is same and between sign is division. So we subtract exponents. 10 minus 9 1. So P upon Q equal to 2 upon 3. But we have find out P upon Q की whole power 3. Now write this. Answer is 8 upon 27. Question number 7. P upon Q is equal to 3 upon 5 की whole power 3 यानी कि Q की whole power 5 multiply 10 upon 9 की whole power 5 का whole cube. And we have to find out P upon Q plus Q upon Q. Firstly power and after this another power, so multiply the both exponents, same procedure and write the law of exponent in a side box. Now power is same but base is different, so we take power as a common using law of exponent this, and answer is 2 upon 3 whole power 15. But we have to find out P upon Q plus Q upon P. P upon Q 2 upon 3 की whole power 15. We divide the exponent in both numerator and denominator separate. Q upon P 3 की power 15 upon 2 की power 15. Now take their LCM. Its LCM they are multiply. इसकी multiply after multiply and answer is this. Because exponent is same, so we can take exponent common. 2 multiply 2 4. Same procedure. Exponent common 3 multiply 3 9 and denominator 6 की power 15. जो भी लो आप यूज करोगे उसको आप साइड में लिखोगे इन अ बॉक्स. नाउ इन अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तो हमारा बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. दे आर टोटल 6 पार्ट, 5th and 6th नोट इन सिलेबस, सो यू हैव टू डन 4th पार्ट and we have now done 1st and 3rd. These parts and remaining parts in homework. 18 की पावर 2 18 square multiply 1 upon 18 square. Exponent is same, so we can take exponent as a common. Write the law of exponent in a side in a box. 1 की power 2 answer is 1. But according to the question, simplify and express the following as a power of 4. तो आपको आंसर एज अ पावर ऑफ 4, तो हम 1 को क्या लिख सकते हैं 4 की पावर 0. वी नो दैट 5 की पावर 0 ऑल्सो 1, 6 की पावर 0 ऑल्सो 1. नहीं, किसी की पावर 0 1 होगी, बट वी हैव टू राइट पावर ऑफ 4, सो वी कैन राइट 1 एज अ 4 की पावर 0. 3 अपॉन 4 की पावर 2 स्क्वायर 16 अपॉन 3 का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई 4 की पावर 3 यानी कि क्यूब. इन द बोथ exponent is same, so we can take exponent common, so it's 4 की पावर 2 after calculation multiply 4 की पावर 3. log आपको साइड में लिखना है, आंसर इज 4 की पावर 5. because base is same, so power must be added. I hope you understood. Please remember, आपको जो भी लो होगा उस साइड में लिखना है. In the next video we start exercise 5.4. Okay, note down it. Okay students, now it's a problem solving time. Exercise 4.3 chapter 4 question number 7 and 8, both questions are same, and a student Kanishka who want to discuss this question. I am very thankful to Kanishka, then he want to discuss the question with me. Both questions are same, and we have just note down question number 8. If you have any problem after this, I can understand, and you try with me and discuss with me this question. Now question number 8, find a rational number which is minus 15 upon 28 less than minus 7 upon 4. यानी कि हमें एक ऐसा रेशनल नंबर निकालना है जो माइनस 15 अपॉन 28 लेस देन होना चाहिए इससे. अब थोड़ी, क्योंकि नंबर्स रेशनल नंबर में होने के कारण ये क्वेश्चन थोड़े पजल हो जाते हैं, हम इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा इजी तरीके से समझते हैं. फाइंड अ नंबर विच इज, सेम लैंग्वेज है, विच इज, केवल मैंने नंबर्स को सिंपल कर दिया, 5 लेस देन 17. यानी कि एक ऐसा नंबर सोचो जो 5 लेस हो 17 से, मतलब ऐसा नंबर जो 17 से 5 कम हो, 17 से 5 कम. ऑब्वियसली आंसर इज 12. अब 12 इन दोनों से कैसे रिलेटेड है? 12 इज इक्वल टू 17 माइनस 5. तो यहां से मुझे एक वर्किंग करने का प्रोसीजर मिल गया. तो यानी कि मुझे वो नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है, तो इट्स मीन मुझे इसमें से इसको सबट्रैक्ट करना है, बस. रिक्वायर्ड नंबर, दिस रेशनल नंबर माइनस दिस रेशनल नंबर, टेकिंग देयर एलसीएम, write the denominator in a single denominator, divide by 20 divided by 4, we get 7, multiply 7, 1, answer is minus 34 upon 28, both are divisible by 2, answer is minus 17 upon 14. I hope you understood. If any student have any problem, you can send the question number, exercise number, and might try. Then the problem we discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.